Welcome to MCQ Paathsaalaa. Let's test your knowledge of medieval history with these quick MCQs. Let's begin with first question. Delhi Sultanate was founded in. Correct answer option B 1206. Next question. Founder of Delhi Sultanate was. Correct answer option B Qutubuddin Aibak. Next question. Slave dynasty is also called. Correct answer option C Mamluk dynasty. Next question. Qutub Minar is located at. Correct answer option B Delhi. Next question. Qutub Minar was completed by. Correct answer option B Iltutmish. Next question. First woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate was. Correct answer option C Razia Sultan. Next question. Bolban was famous for. Correct answer option B strong kingship. Next question. Alauddin Khilji belonged to. Correct answer option B Khalji dynasty. Next question. Alauddin Khilji is known for. Correct answer option B market control system. Next question. Capital of Delhi Sultanate was. Correct answer option C Delhi. Next question. Muhammad bin Tughlaq is known for. Correct answer option B token currency. Next question. Capital was shifted to Dolatabad by. Correct answer option B Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next question. Firoz Shah Tughlaq is known for. Correct answer option B canals and welfare works. Next question. Last dynasty of Delhi Sultanate was. Correct answer option D Lodi. Next question. Last ruler of Delhi Sultanate was. Correct answer option C Ibrahim Lodi. Next question. First battle of Panipat was fought in. Correct answer option A 1526. Next question. Founder of Mughal Empire was. Correct answer option C Babur. Next question. Babur's autobiography is called. Correct answer option B Baburnama. Next question. Babur was defeated by. Correct answer option B Sher Shah Suri. Next question. Sher Shah Suri is famous for. Correct answer option B revenue system. Next question. Second battle of Panipat was fought in. Correct answer option B 1556. Next question. Akbar became emperor in. Correct answer option B 1556. Next question. Akbar's guardian was. Correct answer option C Bairam Khan. Next question. Who wrote Akbarnama? Correct answer option B Abul Fazl. Next question. Akbar abolished which tax? Correct answer option C, jizya. Next question. Jahangir was the son of. Correct answer option C, Akbar. Next question. Taj Mahal was built by. Correct answer option C, Shah Jahan. Next question. Taj Mahal was built in memory of. Correct answer option C, Mumtaz Mahal. Next question. Aurangzeb reintroduced. Correct answer option C, jizya. Next question. Last powerful Mughal ruler was. Correct answer option C, Aurangzeb. Next question. Bhakti movement stressed on. Correct answer option C, devotion to God. Next question. Kabir was a saint of. Correct answer option C, Bhakti movement. Next question. Sufi saints preached. Correct answer option C, love and peace. Next question. Chishti order belongs to. Correct answer option C, Sufism. Next question. Vijayanagara Empire was founded in. Correct answer option B, 1336. Next question. Capital of Vijayanagara Empire was. Correct answer option C, Hampi. Next question. Greatest ruler of Vijayanagara was. Correct answer option C, Krishna Deva Raya. Next question. Battle of Talikota was fought in. Correct answer option C, 1565. Next question. Shivaji was the founder of. Correct answer option B, Maratha Empire. Next question. Shivaji's council was called. Correct answer option B, Astapradhan. Next question. Guru Nanak founded. Correct answer option C, Sikhism. Next question. Sixth holy book is. Correct answer option C, Guru Granth Sahib. Next question. Red Fort of Delhi was built by. Correct answer option C, Shah Jahan. Next question. Jama Masjid of Delhi was built by. Correct answer option C, Shah Jahan. Next question. Medieval period in India mainly covers. Correct answer option A, 500 to 1500 AD. Next question. Fatehpur Sikri was built by. Correct answer option C, Akbar. Next question. Din-e-Ilahi was started by. Correct answer option C, Akbar. Next question. Mughal painting mainly developed under. Correct answer option B, Akbar. Next question. Peacock throne was associated with. Correct answer option C, Shah Jahan. Next question. Decline of Mughal Empire started after the death of. Correct answer option C, Aurangzeb.